That is a woolly mammoth. Good job. It's so small. Are you kidding me? That thing is huge. Good morning. Can you say good morning?
Don't look at me.
Good morning, guys. We are headed down to get some breakfast. I'm gonna charge the camera because I totally forgot to plug it in last night. So we're gonna go eat breakfast and then maybe have some, and then get started with our day. What? Happy birthday weekend.
No, baseball.
What?
Baseball.
Ghost ball? Is that
Baseball.
Baseball.
Let's go.
Oh my god. Alright, jump in that water. Jump in. Jump in. You want to walk? Is it cold? It's not cold. Woo! Good job! You did it! It's cold! It's cold! It's cold! It's cold? Yeah, I don't know if I'm getting in. I don't know. You guys, Six Flags is right there. Like, we're literally right across the street. Like, that's a roller coaster right there. Is that not crazy? Roller coaster. That one's not running today. They're fixing some of it. What? You want me to get in the water? And then way over there, that building right there, that's actually the stadium that we're going to be at tonight. That right there. That's the Rangers Stadium. Let me feel this water. Is it? Okay, I'm watching you. Woo!
So cold.
Oh, it's not that cold.
It's cold. It's cold.
I mean, it's cool. You go ahead first. Come on, birthday boy. You go first. How's it feel to be, this is your last day of being 33 years old?
Tomorrow's Daddy's birthday.
Tomorrow is Daddy's birthday. Oh my. Is Daddy's birthday tomorrow?
What?
Are we gonna sing happy birthday to Daddy? There is a yellow car right there. Are we gonna sing happy birthday to Daddy tomorrow? Yeah?
And Mommy!
Go,
What?
Mom.
What?
Needs help.
What does Daddy want tomorrow?
What do I want?
Well, she said cake. I know you want almond joys. What else do you want?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Oh, you made it.
Okay.
The airplane.
An airplane.
I already got my hair wet.
We'll
Is it-
see.
Daddy.
Now that you're in the water, is it
Every
so cold?
single year, I have gotten him a birthday ice cream cake, so we may have to just do that again. Are we gonna go over the bridge again?
Yeah.
Like we did yesterday? Here we go! Look at this cool bridge! Whoa!
Look at that cool
Yeah,
bridge.
that one's cool over there too.
Whoa. I wonder what happened.
So cool!
We're on it. Wow.
Why is it doing that?
What do you think, bud? Do you like
I
it?
can see the world.
He's speechless.
Look at
Whoa, look at all the cool buildings over
the
there.
skyscrapers.
Yep. That's downtown Dallas. That's where we're going.
Yay! Go to the museum. I want to do this one.
You don't want to go on that one? We're not going over there. We're going over here. We're going over here. Yeah, that one's scary. All right. Well, we're going to go over here, okay?
Yay.
Yeah. Buddy, look at the dinosaurs. Here, take my hand. Look, bud. Look at the little dinosaurs. Look, that's a Pisanosaurus. Tysanosaurus. And that one's a Herares. I can't even pronounce these names, buddy.
Mommy.
What? Okay. Okay. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Come on. Come on. Take me, buddy. Oh my goodness. Look at these dinosaurs. They're so big. What? Cool. What? Whoa. Look at that big dinosaur. Whoa, look at those. Pretty neat. What's that one?
That's a Brachiosaurus.
Oh, is that Brachiosaurus?
Yeah.
Parker, look, there's a dinosaur egg.
Brontosaurus.
Whoa.
Brontosaurus, the baby.
Oh, it is a baby, you're right. Look, more dinosaurs, look! That is insane, you guys. Could you imagine? Where's she going? Are you grocery shopping? Oh, you have some pretty flowers. Look at that.
Don't cheat. But let's go. How fast? You don't know. You don't look. It's on the screen. Now he's going to go back. Yeah!
Made it to this guy's favorite, the universe. He's yawning. This was Katie's favorite last time too. think? It's pretty neat, huh? Whoa.
What's it gonna be?
So cool. Whoa, yeah.
Whoa. Oh, here we go, bud. It's gonna get really bright.
Look at the sun. It's a ball of fire, buddy. Yeah. And we are back with dinosaurs. We have found some more. That is a woolly mammoth. Good job. It's so small. Are you kidding me? That thing is huge. Oh yeah, look at those ones. Buddy, what is that one? What is it? There is a T-Rex over there. That is a Bronchiosaurus. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. That is a T-Rex. Yep, it's crazy big. Can you imagine, Caitlin, walking with a dinosaur this big? That would be so crazy. What? Oh my gosh.
Dinosaur and a crane and it won't fight.
Shh, it's a deer.
Whoa, look at it.
But I know.
Alright, here we are. I don't know. We're at the baseball game. Hasn't started yet, starts in an hour. But check out these primo seats. First of all, we're in the shade. It's like 95 degrees out right now. It's pretty hot.
When we were driving here, it said 104.
Okay, so it's pretty hot. But shade. It's probably been in the shade for at least an hour. 2, primo foul ball area. I don't have a glove though. So
I told him he should have brought his glove.
we have to be all eyes for the righty batters. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Never been to this stadium before.
It's a really nice stadium.
Yeah. So it looks pretty cool.
I've never been to here before.
Nobody's been here.
And I've never actually seen a baseball.
Has she even really been to a game? Have you brought her to a baseball game before?
Yeah, Padres game.
I don't remember.
Yeah.
I don't
But I mean an Angels game.
I'm not sure.
I had gone to
They
one.
may have gone to one, yeah.
Yeah, but I don't remember. But I've never
you're
actually
fine.
seen this. I've never seen one of these.
Yeah, no, this is pretty close.
For Los Angeles, 4 runs, 7 hits, 1 error, and 6
Didn't
left.
win. And she didn't catch the
The
ball.
winning pitcher, Drew Hutchison, now 2-2.
Sad.
Losing pitcher, Desvanier, now
Her first
2-1.
loss, you guys.
Brendan Jose Leclerc with his 4th save. The time of tonight's game, 2 hours and
alright.
56
It's a good
minutes.
game. It was fun.
Tonight's total attendance,
Now we're just gonna sit here and wait for the
27,816.
fireworks that Parker is gonna end up freaking out about. He has no idea. You don't want to see fireworks?
10 minutes.
Good game. It's a good
Don't
game.
forget, Texas Live is
It's a good
open
game.
across the street.
Yeah.
Several.
Woo!
He wants to be like.
I know.
He liked it.
You liked it, I know. Is that cool? Yeah. You ready to go now?